are going to love the 2018 Chevrolet Equinox. Fuel efficiency, safety, and value equals the Chevy Equinox. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, steering wheel audio controls, power liftgate, traction control, power passenger seat, all-wheel drive, lane departure warning, remote engine start, backup camera, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, keyless start, floor mats, auto-dimming rear view mirror, aluminum wheels. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.